Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinancing.com. So today I am going to describe one very good calendar spread, especially in the Ethereum type of high volatile counters. Mostly this kind of strategy you should initiate post 15th of the month, or you can initiate from the beginning part of the month with the specific riders. However, it is better to initiate in the middle of the month. So here, why middle of the month? Because by that time, the current month, the running months, open interest will have a proper distribution. It will have a proper adjustment. So it will have a great impact. So before I should go into this video, I should tell you that we have the free crypto strategy group. Many of you are the member. So there are 300 members here. So if you are not being a member of this group, so I'll give the link to subscribe to this group in the pin comment. You can add yourself and be a member of this group. Here, very good strategies we are giving here, and many strategies you can learn. Its approach also I am telling here, whether it is delta neutral, theta neutral, what kind of approach we are following, that also I am giving here. So if you are associated with our referral, you are getting a lot of benefits also here. So this I'll give in the pin comment. You can add yourself. Besides that, we'll also have one webinar, preferably this weekend or sometimes in the next weekend. That information also I'll give it in the description. If you are interested, you add yourself. So here, what is the approach? So this is like a calendar spread, but there is small deviation in this calendar spread. So normally, whenever you form a calendar spread, normally the month one and month two is being involved, or week one and week two will be involved. So its credit or debit nature is defined, which expiry you are buying and which expiry you are selling. So here I am following a different approach. What I am doing here, I have chosen the December and October. So I am just skipping the mid month. Why this mid month I am skipping? Because I want to keep the delta slightly positive, but I want the theta to be very big and it may be above 5 or 6. So for that, one mid month I am just skipping it. And I am going with the debit calendar spread. So here December month's strike 4,000 call and put I am buying. And December month, if you are buying, you can't get it in the Delta Exchange platform. You have to buy it in the CoinSwitch platform. And I'm selling the October month. And do remember, I'm recording this video on the 14th of October, and I have told you mid of the month only you should initiate this strategy after the open interest saturation happens. So here you must tell me where is the open interest saturation. So you can say if you go to the Delta platform and if you go for here, lot of things you can get it here, analytics, straddles, all these things will be there, and demo tradings, many things you will get it here. So if I go for the options here, so I can get that so I can get the data here to analyze option data analytics. I can go in the for the analytics. I can just untick this. I can go for month one, which is our October month data. So once I go for the October month data here, all these strikes you can say open interest is being given. So which are the strikes? So first I have to change the underlying asset. I am changing the asset to ETH and I am coming here. Max pen is at 4140. That means it is telling that it is for daily. So I can just move it to month one. So max pain is sitting at 4,700 and currently we are at 4,000 level, and this is all strikes are having very good you can say open interest built up here. So I am telling that we should involve ourselves here at 4,000 strike. So change in open interest also you can see if you are more you can say uh, more interested to know these things, you can go with the other data points also to investigate how the IV is changing and other things also you can see here. But my main focus area is here. The open interest max pen is 4,700, currently at 4,000 level, and it has a great volume. Open interest also is in a great thing. So here we are located, and if I go downside also 3,500, I have a great open interest. So similarly here 4,700 great open interest, and in between I am. So this is one part where I'm just telling that we should skip 1 month here and enter the remaining months here. So you can say we can sell the October month and this is the premium, and we can buy the December month. So December contracts are not available in the Delta platform. So CoinSwitch platform, it's the same thing. Also, I have a position here. You can see here. It's taken few days back, few days before. So it is at a great profit now. So you can see here 526 and 470. It is the tradable price now. And here too also I have just taken so 1 or 2 days before. So that's why you are seeing some amount of good profit there. So you can see here now you can but initiate in the mid of the month, not before that. So here you can initiate this. So 251, 232, great amount of time value is sitting here. So here we are making it. Our aim is theta should be above $5. Means every day you are aiming to get $5 benefit, and delta slightly positive you have to keep or slightly negative. So this is 0.08 delta. That makes it more responsive, and it must be a very high volatile counter. So if you make it here, your total receipt from the sales is 483. So you can set till 4,483 in the upside, or you can say almost 3,500 in the downside. You may not land in any kind of big loss. So some amount of theta will be holding on to this December series, and so you can get a safe exit. So 500 point is a pretty big amount. So 10% in the upside, 10% in downside, you are protected. But if it consolidates for 3 or 5 days, during this period, we are taking on 14th. If it is consolidating till 20th or till 22nd, 5 to 6 days, your profit will be phenomenally great. So this is what you are making it. Another one very big catch also here you need to see. So we are skipping 1 month in between. Our investment in the buying is $992. So this December, what we are buying? We are buying at $992. We are spending, and how much we are selling? $483 we are receiving. $483 we are receiving. It is almost 50%. 50% of the buy value we are receiving. So almost 50%, near to 50%. So whenever this calendar logic, if you want to make it successful for any volatile counter, you must see that your sell proceed must recover 50% value of your buy proceeds. So that is what the requirement for a successful calendar built up. So that also is making up here. So we can go with this calendar with great confidence, and this amount of volatility what we have seen in the past couple of days. So now this volatility is going to shrink. So once it is started shrinking, we'll make a big money. So all the points what I have told you must follow that points. Theta should be above 5. Your sell proceed must recover the 50% value of your buy proceed. So that is one. And mid of the week you should initiate, not in the beginning, not in the end. So this is what you have to follow for this kind of instrument. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Must subscribe to our group as well as the webinar also you can join and invite your friends to join this webinar. Share this video with your friends if you like, and must comment and must give some like in the video so that it should algorithmically get popularized by the YouTube. Because if you do not comment, if you do not write, so if any comment, so that time YouTube doesn't consider it as a quality stuff. If you think this is how someone has to read the calendar spread, this is how one person need to understand the calendar spread, must give a simple like and one comment is must. Simply high comment also is okay, but that will make their algorithm to understand that is it is useful for the people, so that they will make it to reach to a bigger audience. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time.